A very great morning, everybody. So today is the 26th of January, and then it's the last week of January, of course. So I just wanted to show you our results for this week so far. It's been 2 days in the week, so I just wanted to show you guys the performance in the group. Now let me just take you through just the past 2 days, which is yesterday and today, of course, which is the 26th of January. So let me just show you the group. Great performance by my guys in the group. Some of them get the signals from the robot, and some of them get the signals from the group, of course, where you post the signals in the group. Yeah, you can see the performance in the group in there. Look at that. Great performance. Now this was yesterday. And then now today, this morning, as you can see, analysis. Look at this guy, almost double the account, and look at that one as well. Trading performance. This is great results. As you can see, triple the account. As you can see, people making 30% a day. 30% a day, account tripled. Nice. Now we continue. Guys, in order for you to join the group and also get the robot, it's a package. In order for you to get this package wherein you join the group and you also get the robot, it's only $100. $100. That is the cheapest for you to change your life. So make the purchase, guys, and join the group so that you can make the money we're making. $100 you get the robot, and you also join the group. $100. If you are from local country, which is South Africa, you get it for 1,350 rands. 1,350 rands. So that's it. That's the investment you need to make in 2021 for you to change your life. Join the winning team, guys. As you can see, great performance in the group here. There is nothing here, guys, that you need to do. You just need to follow. You follow and make money. And also you let the robot do the work for you. So guys, to get the package is $100 or 1,350 rands for local clients. $100 for international clients, 1,350 rands for local clients. Guys, in order for you to join, you know what you need to do. Get my number on the screen down below and join the winning team. Cheers. Good morning, everybody. It's a wonderful day. So today we're just doing some reviews on the new robot, the 2021 version. So today I want you to understand something here. This robot is not a get rich quick scheme. This robot, it actually improves every day. It actually accumulates profit. So if you want to get to that point wherein you are a millionaire right now, you must understand the robot will give you profits gradually, so, but you can't become a millionaire in one day. Now the reviews of the robot is that everybody in the group, like you saw in the previous videos that I sent, that I posted here on this channel, you've seen that my students are already happy. Everybody's happy. They are all making profits, but you are left behind. So you guys need to get in contact with me. You can see my number down below here on the screen. Now, take note of this. This robot, it actually needs you to be hands-on. You need to be hands-on. So like I said in my previous videos that I sent, if your robot, you see the background here, it's yellow. If it's not yellow, that is not the new version. It's not the 2021 version. If you are still holding the 2020 version, you need to get a new one, which is the yellow background. And you can see the components here. They're all equipped. As you can see down here, we've got a DPI. We have a DPI here. Now this thing actually improves everything that you see on the robot. Everything that you knew before, it actually improves it. Now you see this DPI here. You see the yellow version here, the yellow version here, the yellow side of the DPI. I'm not sure if you can see properly, but if you can, then you know. This yellow part here, it corresponds with this yellow bar here. It means that this is where the market converges. It's where the market now comes to a formation, or rather a place where now is deciding to go up or down. Now, but you can see here on this red part, this red part here, it's actually where now the market gains momentum. It gains momentum, meaning yellow is undecided, but red, it gains momentum. As you can see here, as the red disappears, it actually corresponds with what? With the red bar here and the blue bar here. The red disappears, now the green, I mean the blue line, it now goes above to show the momentum that is going to go where? Up. So you actually don't need to understand all this. You don't need to understand all this. All you need to know is that you need the DPI. You need the DPI. So if you get the robot, which is this one, you also need to get the DPI. So if somebody out there is trying to sell you this robot, maybe they bought it from me or someone I've sold to, you need to understand, you gotta have this DPI. So come to me and get this DPI, because you can't get it anywhere. And also the right way to actually install these things, it's actually with me. So you need to come to me to get a blueprint, and then you understand everything. Now here's the indicators, the ST, MT, LT. Now these things, they actually show you if the market is going up or down. Like I said, you don't need to understand all this, but you need these things for you to make money. Now, down here, it says downtrend. You actually understand what it means, downtrend, down. It will change to uptrend whenever it's going up, opposite direction. Now up here, it says trending phase. A trending phase, it will sometimes say trending phase, it will sometimes say unordered phase. Now when it says trending phase, you need to understand something here. When it says trending phase, it means that the market is either going up or down, meaning it has a clear direction. But if it says unordered phase, it means now the market, it's confusing to the robot. The robot doesn't get a clear direction, so it won't give you a trade until it goes to trending phase. And then the trending phase will be green to show that now it's live. Now it sees some opportunities. Now it will say trending phase. But when it says unordered phase, just go and focus on other pairs. Focus on other pairs. Now guys, on this last part of the videos, I wanted to give you some tips that you can use when you have the robot. You can't use this tip. So if you don't have the robot, or you don't want the robot, just close the video. It's not for you. But if you know you want the robot, or you already have the robot, here are the tips for you. You need to be hands-on, right? You gotta be hands-on. You need to be visualizing. You need to be able to see the profits, and then be able to be comfortable. Take what the market gives you. Don't be greedy. Sometimes the take profit given by the robot won't hit. It will not all the time. Sometimes it will hit, sometimes it won't hit. You just need to be smart. You need to close the trades by yourself. Like you saw in my previous videos where I was making profits, I made 100,000 using the robot. I've made 200,000. I've made so much money. So you gotta understand, you need to close whenever you feel comfortable with the profits. So it needs to be hands-on. You need to be the man behind the machine. This thing doesn't have a mind. It doesn't have conscience. It doesn't know anything. It doesn't know if you are comfortable with making 50,000. It doesn't know that you need 20,000 to pay the tuition or whatever the case may be. So you guys need to be hands-on. Close the profits whenever you feel comfortable. And in that way, I'm telling you, and I promise you, you will be making a lot of money. Now for those who already have the robot, guys, I wish you all the best, and I know you're already doing great. I know that you guys are going somewhere. Keep it up and keep pushing. Any inquiries, feel free to get the support from me. I will always assist you. Nothing more, nothing less. Now for those who doesn't have the robot, guys, the robot is only 1,000 rands. 1,000 rands. For international clients, it's $75 US. That's our international price, 75 US dollars. Local clients, South African clients, guys, it's only 1,000 rand. Get in contact with me. You see the number on the screen there. Get in contact with me via WhatsApp. Let's chat, let's communicate. Let me send you the robot, and you start making money in that way. Make this 2021 your year. Now, here's a tip of advice. I've got a group about 75 students or other clients in there. These people, majority of them, they have the robot. Now, my advice to you is that go ahead, buy the robot, and also make yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor, join the group. It's only an additional of 350 rands. So you pay a total sum of 1,350 rands for you to be in both the group and also to get the robot. For international clients, it's an additional of 25 US dollar, meaning you pay a total of 100 US dollar to get both. Join the group and also to get the robot. Let me tell you the advantages of being in the group. Meanwhile, you have the robot. You will be trading and the robot gives you one signal, or rather it gives you 2 signals a day. You find that you made money, but you didn't make enough. You didn't reach your target. In the group, you get the advantage of getting signals and getting some analysis and some tips and some trades which you didn't get from the robot, but we got from the robot. We won't be getting the same things from the robot. So we'll be sharing those things that other people are not getting. So in that way, you get to that level. You make extra cash, and then the advantage of the group is that. So yeah, guys, go ahead, buy the robot, and also join the group. We start making money. Join the winning team. Here we are. We're making money. We're making flames all the way, guys. Take care. Cheers.